Hi everyone, welcome back to Healthy Hustle Journey. If you're looking to simplify your health and feel your best, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some easy, actionable tips that will help you simplify your health and make small changes to transform your life without stress or overwhelm. Let's get started. Your health thrives when you keep things simple. And honestly, isn't that what we all need? Overcomplicating your diet, fitness, or routines can lead to stress, and stress is the enemy of good health. Chronic stress impacts your metabolism, energy levels, and even your immune system. So, the first step is to embrace simplicity. Step 1. Focus on whole foods. Choosing whole, unprocessed foods is a game changer. For example, instead of worrying about counting calories, aim to fill your plate with colorful veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats. My go-to tip: prep simple meals like grilled chicken, roasted veggies, and quinoa. Quick, healthy, and stress-free. Step 2. Manage stress with small daily habits. Stress management doesn't have to mean hour-long meditation sessions. Here's what works for me. Try deep breathing for 5 minutes a day. This calms your nervous system and lowers cortisol. Take a walk outside. Fresh air and movement can do wonders for your mind and body. Step 3. Adopt a sustainable routine. Instead of jumping on the latest health trend, stick to what works for you. For example, if intermittent fasting appeals to you, start with a 12-hour fasting window and adjust as needed. Or simply aim to have your last meal 3 hours before bed to improve sleep and digestion. When I started simplifying my health journey, I noticed immediate results. My energy improved, my stress levels dropped, and I felt more in control. One tip that's been a game changer for me is starting my day with a quick gratitude practice. It's amazing how little changes add up over time. Simplifying your health doesn't have to be complicated. By focusing on whole foods, managing stress, and sticking to routines that work for you, you'll feel healthier and more balanced in no time. What's one simple step you'll try this week? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who'd love to simplify their health journey too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Healthy Hustle Journey.